Welcome to ATB Media, where we discuss the latest trends and compare tech devices and general home appliances. Today's video will be on the top 5 the best pre-built gaming PC of 2022, so whether it is price, performance, or overall use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, make sure you check the links below. To stay up to date with our future videos, please hit that bell button. So, without any delay, let's start the video. Number 5, Skytech Siege 3.0. Experience true PC gaming performance with Skytech Gaming's Siege series. Featuring the newest AMD Radeon RX 6800 graphic card and powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 5800X 8-core processor, the Siege delivers the best value gaming rig on the market. The Skytech Siege 3.0 offers the best gaming computer built to date to easily run popular games such as Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, The Division 2, and more at high to ultra settings, crisp 1440p Ultra HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. Now play whatever game you want to play. Another item is waiting for you. Check out number 4. Number 4, CyberPower PC. Destroy the competition with the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR series of gaming desktops. The Gamer Extreme VR series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. Coupled with powerful yet discreet video cards, the Gamer Extreme VR series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience. CyberPower PC gaming systems are the choice of top gamers everywhere, from pro esports players to pro streamers. However, although it's used by the best, it's built for any and every gamer out there. Break down boundaries and step into your game with graphics more stunning than ever before with the new DirectX 12 technology. Windows 10's API is armed with new features that will provide quicker processing in real time to generate higher FPS and richer graphics, as well as reduced power consumption to play longer. Number 3, Skytech Prism 2. Why settle for mediocrity? Leap forward into the Skytech Prism 2 series with the newest architecture. It features the latest NVIDIA RTX series graphics cards and is powered by an Intel Core i9 processor. The Skytech Prism 2 delivers the best price-to-performance value gaming rig on the market. Display your PC with the stunning Fantex Metallic Gear Neo Cube case, which comes in black or white. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield 5, New World, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and more at ultra settings, detailed 4K Ultra HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. Are you want to save some bucks? Check out number 2. Number 2, Skytech Chronos. Chronos delivers the latest performance gains for next-gen gaming in stunning high-quality, lightning-fast speed, and ultimate power. It is designed to exceed the needs of today's gamers by delivering ultra-quality graphics and high frame rates, and making game streaming and video rendering fast and buttery smooth. It comes with a mouse and keyboard and has Windows pre-installed. The included Quick Start Guide helps you plug in, power up, and play straight out of the box. Just bring your display. Enjoy huge frame rate gains with the powerful GeForce RTX 30 series at 1440p and 4K resolutions. Powerful onboard components are capable of running processor-hungry apps and graphically heavy games smoothly, ensuring an immersive experience. The GeForce RTX 30 series offers the highest performance graphics to deliver the smoothest, most immersive VR experiences. An onboard processor is designed to offer the high-speed VR needs to run smoothly for extended play sessions. Grow your audience with stutter-free live streaming without sacrificing gaming graphics and frame rates. Next-generation hardware encoding and decoding combine to show off all your best moments in exquisite detail. The GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs deliver the performance and image quality necessary to give your audience the best experience every time. I have been using this, and I must say it is what I wanted for a long time. Are you looking for an amazing gaming PC? Check out number 1. Number 1, Thermaltake LCGS. Upgrade your view with the LCGS View 390, surrounded by tempered glass panels and vibrant ARGB fans. Experience 8-core multi-threaded performance with the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X CPU kept cool by a TT closed-loop 360 AIO cooler. Take in all the ray tracing glory with the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, optimized for those high frames and detailed graphics we all love. Gen 4 NVMe M.2 performance means no more waiting on slower drives, giving you more time for work and games. So enjoy the games with happiness. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the products, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Make sure you check the links in the description to find the best deals, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.